Tired of going up and down a ladder to get your tools again and again and again? Introducing Ladder Friend, a tool tray that easily mounts to most extension ladders. Ladder Friend is great for any job. Just load the tray with the tools and accessories you need, and when you're ready to go to work, simply mount the tray where you need it on the ladder. Using the handle, you can adjust the angle of the tray. Now your tools will be right where you need them. You can use Ladder Friend for construction, painting, cleaning, just about any job you use your extension ladder for. Now your tools are exactly where you need them, thanks to Ladder Friend. Nothing makes the work easier.
That new fuel saw is great. I mean, it cuts through this light gauge like butter. The heavier gauge goes through fast. It's a nice cutting saw.
Yeah, the performance is great. It's a quicker cut to it, and it's got more power to it. It's easier to get into certain places. It's definitely an upgrade from the old saw. I would say the new fuel metal cutting saw is the fastest one I've used so far.
I cut EMT, rigid pipe, angle iron, strut, metal studs, just about anything. I mean, it's done everything I've wanted it to do.
The fuel holds up to almost any of the day-to-day torture that we put it through here. It's built for cutting. Just keep feeding it metal and it's happy all day.
The new fuel metal cutting saw is definitely durable. It definitely still performs after all the dust and debris and all that can get inside of a tool on a site like this.
The fuel, you pick it up, you go to wherever you're working, you never got to look for power, it's right there. Battery lasts longer, can't beat it.
For what we do or for what any construction worker would do, you'll get a full day off one charge. So, I mean, the batteries are always terrific. The new Milwaukee fuel saw, it feels like it's catered to professional construction workers.
The fuel just keeps cutting away and doesn't lack on power. It's light, easy, durable. I don't know what else you could possibly look for in a tool. Milwaukee, it's a good name. It's a good tool. It holds up to its name and lasts you a long time.
Speed, versatility, and long life. The Tarantula Hole Saw from Spyder. Carbide tipped blades cut up to 10 times faster than bimetal hole saws, and the durable carbide has a 50 times longer service life. Tarantula cuts through wood with nails, steel, stainless steel, cement fiberboard, and more. No screwdriver needed. Rapid core eject technology makes core ejection easy and fast. Speed, versatility, and long life. The Tarantula Hole Saw from Spyder.
My name is Ed Moore. I work at Moore Performance in Maryland. I would say I use the Mac tool light every day. It helps by lighting up the engine bay when you're working. I've used it on valve cover gaskets, motor jobs. It's actually pretty convenient, and I can just hang it on the side of my box. It's very compact. The biggest thing is the battery life and the motion sensor. I get interrupted a lot at work, so when I walk away, I never remember to turn the light off and back on. So when I come back, it picks up that I walk back and lights right up. Even if you forget to turn it off when you leave at night, it's going to go off and the battery's still going to be alive the next day. Now, I've been buying Mac tools for 30 years. It's convenient. The truck comes here every Wednesday.